because the colors that I'm using are super warm to take away some of the ashiness, but really they don't look really super ashy. Maybe a little too much for your taste, but they're not really, in the scheme of things, they're not bad.
I think they changed more. I don't think it was like that.
No, yeah. Yep. Yep. It happens. Okay. Yeah, the colors that I'm using are really warm. So I think that together they're going to knock out some of the ashiness. So it's all good. Actually, they held up really nice, so.
Now it's great, especially the eyeliner too, not to worry, like when you wake up in the morning and you have some color.
Yeah, and you can swim and do whatever, you want to do. Yeah, you're not a slave to Pentel,
right?
So it's all good. Yep. Yep. It's all good. I like doing hair strokes. It's just, you have to know when to say when and not have them too close together and things like that. Yeah. Like people are always saying, why don't we just put one more? And I'm like,
I'd rather err on the side of less.
Yeah. They're going to spread, so you don't want to keep on adding strokes. It's going to look like a shaded brow. So. Yeah, that looks nicer already. I'll show you, I think I have a mirror here somewhere. Here we go. Hey, you can see. One's magnification and one's not. So they look better already.
Can you go like lower in here?
I can do that.
Yeah, just like in there.
I can do that. Yeah.
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 And yeah.
Okay. We'll go over them again with the strokes, and then we'll go in with a little bit of shading, and then you're done.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Less is best. So
Is this one, I can't tell because of my own hair, but thinner there than this one? I love the way that one looks.
Well, you have a little bit of blood there too, but
Okay, yeah.
but I can make them a little heavier on the ends if you like. That's easy.
It's kind of on the top, not on the bottom, but
Okay.
right like in there.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Yep. And you want it coming down a little lower.
Just a hair.
Actually, it did, but it's, we'll just add more color. I had them coming down lower. Yep. Okay. So you want me to make them broader in the back here, like up top here.
Yeah, because this one seems more, and this one.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, here we go. It's a little bit lighter color. Maybe that's why it's not calling your attention.
Yeah, you can see it better than I can, I'm sure.
Well, I'm going to add a little bit of shading just to bump it up a little bit. Yep. think that's it. And the front, I took it down a little bit, so. What do you think?
Looking good. Yeah, it looks nice. Very nice.
Now I'm going to shade a little bit with that little whoop-de-woo is what's when you sneeze, but there's no pigment in there. So it's gonna go away.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's when I was coming up and went, cha!
Oh.
So, yeah, but there's no, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's not, it'll be fine. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to shade. And then. What do you
Looks
think?
good. Looks beautiful.
I just don't want to stack strokes. You know what I mean?
No. Again, you know, you're err on the side of less. I can always come back.
Of course.
Looks good.
That's good. And I didn't use anything warm. And, I mean, anything cool, rather. So we're going to go right into the shading. Are you okay? How's your
Yep.
comfort?
Good.
Yeah, good. Yeah, they do not look too cool at all.
No.
Nope.